We're over here in the onion patch, and onions are a member of the allium family, which includes shallots and scallions and garlic and all types of onions and leeks. So here you can see I planted these back in the middle of April, and this particular variety of onion is more or less 100 to 110 days to come to maturity. But that said, you've heard the phrase spring onions. Well, basically, that can be any type of onion that you pick early to enjoy at a smaller size. So what I'm going to do here is take one of these onions, and I'm going to harvest it now. There's no reason to cure these. I'm going to use it in my cooking tonight. The remainder of the onions, I'm going to keep going with them probably until September so I can have a nice big harvest. I'll cure them for usage over the winter.